Hi guys, I'm Umair. I have prepared a presentation for assignment 1 for security fundamentals. As you all know that in this presentation we have to tell about ZenMap, which we already used on Kali in previous lectures, which we study in previous labs and lectures. So basically, what is ZenMap? ZenMap is the official graphical user interface for Nmap security scanner. So in this assignment I'm going to tell you about what is ZenMap. It means introduction of ZenMap, tasks ZenMap can perform, how we can mitigate different types of threats, and the performance of ZenMap. So all these steps are discussed below in the next slides, so please listen. So first slide, outline of the presentation. As I already told you in the introduction of ZenMap that in our presentation I'm going to tell you first introduction of ZenMap, tasks ZenMap can perform, how we can mitigate different threats, and performance of ZenMap. So in the next slide, first I'm going to tell you about ZenMap. What is ZenMap? So please listen. ZenMap. Actually, ZenMap is the official graphical user interface for the Nmap security scanner. It is a multi-platform, free and open source application. It is used to make Nmap easy for beginners to use while providing advanced features for Nmap users. Now we will begin ZenMap by typing it in a terminal or by clicking it from the ZenMap icon in desktop. The main window is shown in the next slide. This is the screenshot from the laptop when we are going to start ZenMap. One of the ZenMap's goal is to make security scanning easy for the beginners and experts. Running the scan is as simple as typing the target in the target field, selecting the intense scan profile and then clicking the scan button. It is shown in the next slide. While scanning is running, the Nmap output command is shown on the screen. The number of targets, separated spaces may be entered in the target field. All the target specifications spotted by Nmap are also spotted by ZenMap. So the targets such as 192.168.0.0/24 works. ZenMap remembers the targets scanned most recently. To rescan a host, select the host from the combo box attached to the target text field. Intense scan is just one of several scan profiles that come with ZenMap. Choose a profile by selecting it from the profile combo box. Profile exists for several common scans including different threats. After selecting profile, the Nmap command line associated with it is displayed on the screen. It is possible to edit these profiles or create new ones. This is covered in the section called the Profile Editor. ZenMap has the ability to combine the results of many Nmap scans into one view, a feature which is called scan aggregation. When one scan is finished, you may start another in the same window. When second scan is finished, its results are merged with those from the first. An example of aggregation will make the concept clearer. Let's run a quick scan against scanme.nmap.org. This is a screenshot for that. So now we will run the same against localhost. So this is a screenshot from the laptop when we run with localhost. Now results for both scanme and localhost are shown. This is something you could have done with one Nmap scan giving both targets, although it's convenient not to have to think of all targets in advance. Now suppose we want some more information about scanme, we'll launch an intense scan on it as shown in this slide. This is the intense scan. picture captured from laptop. Now ScanMe has a little penguin icon showing that its operating system has been detected as Linux. Additionally, one of its services has been identified. Now we are doing something you can't do with a single Nmap scan because you cannot single out a host for more intense scanning like we did. The results for localhost are still present, though we won't know more about it than we did before, unless we decide to do a more in-depth scan. It is possible to have more than one inventory open at the same time. ZenMap uses the convention that one window represents one network inventory. To start a new inventory, select New Window from Scan menu or use Ctrl plus N from keyboard shortcut. Starting a scan with the Scan button will append the scan to the inventory in the current window. To put it in a different inventory, open up a separate window and run the scan from there. Loading scan results from a file or directory will start a new inventory unless you use the open scan in this window menu item. To close a window, choose Close Window from the Scan menu or press Ctrl plus W from keyboard shortcut. When all open windows are closed, the application will terminate. To close all open windows, select Quit or press Ctrl plus Quit from the keyboard menu. Guys, this is Guys, this is a presentation which I prepared about ZenMap. I think it will be much clearer for you. So now at the end, I am going to share some important points about ZenMap with you. ZenMap has the ability to combine the results of many Nmap scans into one view, which is known as scan aggregation. When one scan is finished, you can start another one in the same window. When second scan is finished, its results are merged with those with the first ones. ZenMap actually is a multi-platform, free and open source application. It is used to make easy for the beginners to use while providing advanced features for Nmap users. So guys, this all is about ZenMap. So at the end, thanks a lot.